Zia man, we back with another one, baby. We on another job here. We got the guys back here in the cut. We got Big Z here. We got a great friend of the family, Dorian, over there. And we'll go through the scope of work here. So yeah, we got the chipper and the truck kind of pushed up in this hole here because we'll be shooting all the chippings this direction and that direction. We'll be taking out all these red tips right here. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 main trees in there that we'll be leaving, but we'll be getting all the red tips out of here, guys. So we're gonna follow everything this direction and chip everything that direction. And then back here in the back, we got a fairly large size tree here that we'll be taking out. We got the lift over there on standby. And so once we get all this area here cleaned out, we'll be back in the chipper and the lift back here. And then we'll come get this one here out next. This will be the last tree here. So a lot of these leaves you can see are away where the sun's there. I apologize. But let's get over here. So a lot of these leaves you see over here, we're just gonna kind of straight drop them here in this section here. No need to rope them, they're away from the house. Even over here, we can drop some of these freehand. There's one main stem going up over the house, where I would definitely have to control with ropes. But for the most part, majority of this tree will be just dropping large portions of it, just getting on the ground. So we'll be chipping up everything here. The client wants to keep firewood, so we'll cut up in manageable sizes and we'll dice it up here. And don't know quite where we're gonna put the chipper at back here, but we're gonna put it somewhere in close proximity to this tree, so the guys ain't gotta do a lot of hauling to get it inside that chipper. And blow it over here in the wood line, guys. So we'll come to you once we get the saws cranked up. Peace. We got Dorian in the truck, man. We got another one in the bag, guys. We got this big old oak down, guys. Check that puppy out there, man. Woo! Man, you talking about some work, guys. We worked today. We only brought out the lift and the chipper because we was trying to minimize all the trips because we're like 45, 50 minutes away. But me and my son been talking, next time, we're bringing the tractor, guys. Because we had to hand stack and move all this stuff by hand, guys. Look at this. This that whole tree right here. Look at that. We had to move all that stuff by hand, guys. And then this pile over here too. Look at that, man. So, son, we came to the conclusion that won't happen again, right? I mean, Dorian in the truck with his tongue out, guys. He's wore out. But yeah, man, this thing turned out very well, man. We cleaned out this whole area here. It's the client, Mr. Rick. But yeah, so we cleaned out all this stuff here. Rick just wanted to kind of roll over back there in the wood line. But man, look at this, guy. This is night and day, right? Check that out. You can actually see into the backyard now. Check it out, man. Turned out very, very nice. All right. Catch y'all next time. This is ZML with ZML Exterior Home Care, where we specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. Till next time, peace.